Hey, Flutter enthusiasts, welcome back to Widget Wisdom. Today, we're diving into the depths of Flutter to unravel the mysteries of bottom sheets. So, grab your coffee, put on your coding cape, and let's flutter our way through bottom sheets. As you can see, when I'm tapping on this button, a bottom sheet is popping up on the screen. And we want this same behavior in our application. So let's start, and before starting is the code, or written tutorial, then I'll provide the link of this article in the description so you can follow that also. So, Flutter provides a powerful and flexible way to create user interfaces. One commonly used UI element is the bottom sheet, which is a material design component that slides up from the bottom of the screen to reveal additional content or options. So let's start here. I'm having a default Flutter project. And as we do in all the videos, first remove these comments, and this my home page class. And here let's create a new stateful widget class, as Flutter BottomSheet. And now call this class from my app class, and remove this title thing from here. Alright, widget wisecrackers. Before we dive in, if you're not subscribed, hit that button below. Now come down to Flutter BottomSheet state class. And from here, remove this empty container, and here create a scaffold. Now let's run the app, and if a white screen is coming, then everything is fine. While our code is getting ready for installation, let's create our button for the screen. For doing that, inside scaffold's body make use of center widget, and inside center cast a elevated button. And inside elevated button give it a text widget as child, which is stating showModalBottomSheet. Now let's come to this onPressed method. So in our onPressed method, whenever user is going to tap on this button, a bottom modal sheet will open. So for showing that modal bottom sheet, let's create a method, as showBottomSheet. And for this method don't forget to pass the context, because we need to use context inside our bottom sheet. So pass this context to our this method. And now create this method. And now come inside this method. So here write showModalBottomSheet, and this function is going to use two parameters. First is our context, and second is our builder, which will help us to create this model bottom sheet. So now for the builder it needs context, so pass that. And now inside the builder we will return the UI of our bottom sheet. You can create any kind of UI in this bottom sheet. But for this tutorial purpose I'm just creating a simple column, and inside it, I'm creating 3 simple list tile widgets. And if you are using column inside bottom sheet, then don't forget to give main axis size as min for the column. And now the beautiful creation of modal bottom sheet is come to an end. Now save the program. And as you can see, on my emulator when I'm tapping on this button, then our bottom sheet is popping up. So that's it for this tutorial. And still, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then please do.